In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and run Clawdbot on Macos using Homebrew, Node.js, and Git. We'll do everything right from the terminal, so go ahead and open it. First, we need Homebrew, the package manager that makes installing developer tools on macOS fast and reliable. Run the official Homebrew install command from their site to start the installer. It may prompt you for your Mac password and ask for confirmation. That's normal. When it finishes, carefully follow any on-screen instructions about adding Homebrew to your path. If you're prompted to run a command to set up your shell, do that, then close and reopen terminal so the change takes effect. Next, let's install Node.js, specifically the long-term support version. In terminal, install Node with Homebrew. Node includes npm. The package manager will need to pull in the bot's dependencies. After installation, confirm everything worked by typing node-v and npm-v. If you see version numbers, you're good to go. Now install Git with Homebrew as well. Git lets you download the project files and keep them up to date. With those tools ready, download the Clawdbot code, use git clone with your Clawdbot repository link, then change into the newly created project folder. If your folder name is different, adjust the change directory command accordingly. Inside the project directory, install the bot's dependencies, run the npm install command, and let it finish. This step can take a moment because it downloads all the packages the bot needs to run. Before starting the bot, add your Discord bot token so the app can authenticate. You can open either the .env file or the config.json file with the Nano editor, depending on how your project is set up. Paste your token carefully, keeping it private at all times to save in Nano. Press Ctrl X, then Y to confirm, and hit enter. If you're using a .env file, make sure it remains untracked and not shared publicly. Finally, start Clawdbot by running the node entry point for the project. You should see startup messages in terminal, and the bot should go online. If it doesn't, double check that your token was saved correctly and that your dependencies finished installing without errors. And that's it. You installed Homebrew, added Node and Git, downloaded Clawdbot, installed its dependencies, securely added